welcome back to my kitchen or channel. Hello for the first time, how you doing? What's happening? I hope you're alright. Today I bought a food processor with suction cups on the bottom. Yeah. So I'm going to make things that require a food processor because I've always wanted one and it was reduced in Tesco. I needed a reason to have bought it. I need to justify this purchase and I'm going to do it today. My best friend's coming over for snacks later, like nibbles and like movies and stuff. So I'm going to make some chickeny bits. It's dead easy, dead simples and whatnot, and I'm going to show you how I do it. We're going to make chicken with like a garlic, herby crusty thing, right? Brilliant, well good. So buy garlic bread, right, because we're lazy bastards. Just buy garlic bread and cook the garlic bread in the oven. So what does it say? 180 degrees, you get a fan oven, 200 degrees cool. My oven's on it. Ooh. 180 now. Essentially, what you're doing is you're just cooking this. Okay, thanks for coming, see you later. We'll cook this and then I'll show you what you're doing. Oh, it smells really good. This is like absolute lazy chicken bits. But tasty chicken bits. Into the oven, my friend. In front of me, I've got a bowl of eggies and a bowl of flour. Not a lot of flour for some reason. I'd probably put more flour in that, to be honest. This bag is a bag of snacks from my child. I've just moved that out the shot. It has like little crispies and cookies and stuff in it. We're going to do like the dipping of the chicken nonsense, right? But your flour, season your flour, salt and pepper and all that, right? So we'll salt this business. That was probably quite a lot of salt. Pepper your business. And then you're going to mix your business. Now what we have to do is wait on the garlic bread actually cooking, right? Once it's cooked, we're going to take it out, we're going to blend it to bits, and then we're going to dry coat a bit of chicken, wet coat it, and then coat it in the lovely garlic bread crumb shit. It's going to be chef kiss. I was going to make a sauce, but today's supposed to be about being lazy, so I just bought Nando's sauce because it's quite nice in that. Right, I'll see you in like 20 minutes when that garlic bread's made. Welcome back, I found some glasses. Right, so our garlic bread is made. What's the word for it, I know. That's the thing, right? And under no circumstance have I told you this is a hack. It's not a hack, it's a different way to make chicken. So at least I'm being honest with you. I'm not like these random TikTokers and YouTubers and stuff that's like, hack! It's just an easy way to make chicken, mate. Into your suction cup bottom food processor, or use a knife, goes your garlic bread, right? I'm still going to have to cut that realistically because you can't just shove a whole slice of garlic bread in there. I'm going to make these in the air fryer, by the way, but you can make them in the oven. The oven is like 190 degrees or 170. Don't know why I couldn't take 2 from 9 there. If you've got a fan oven, I don't know what gas that is, but I'll find out. You put it in the oven for 20 minutes. I'm going to put it in the air fryer for 10 minutes at 200 if you've got an air fryer. Also, if you have Parmesan, you can add Parmesan to this, not the blender. Once you've blended or cut the bits of bread, add Parmesan in. And then you can have like garlic Parmesan chicken. Right, that's probably enough bread. I think I'm expecting too much from my blender. I've never used this yet, so I mean I literally bought it today. Anyway, close your ears. That'll do. Right, so pour your breadcrumbs, take that hang out. We've got a wee bowl of crumbs, a wee bowl of egg, and a wee bowl of flour. You're going to take your chicken, if you've got chicken breast, cut it up into strips. I've bought chicken mini fillet breasts because I'm a lazy bastard. So you basically roll it in the flour, then the egg, and then your crumb business, and then stick it in the air fryer, pan hang. Thank you Haley's mum for this, by the way. Let's cut this chicken open. And I've already used this board, so I'm just going to like put my prepared chicken on this board. So you have a dry hand and a wet hand. And you take your rings off. Dry hand. And about that flour mix that we've already seasoned. And then into the wet mix. Use your wet hand to coat in the children of the breast there, and use your dry hand. Oh no, put it in the egg. I'm shite at this, right? And then you just coat it in the breadcrumbs. Now, I am very impatient. You're supposed to wait until the breadcrumbs are cool, but I'm lazy. So I just dooked it in straight away. So because I am lazy, I am going to attempt another dook in my eggs. I know, wild, right? And then into my dry again. And they're going to come out absolutely chonky. Look at that big boy. He chonky. And sit your chunky boy there. So that's my almost dry hand. Bloody idiot, man. Do as I say, not as I do. Or don't do any of it, just watch me and tell me from afar how stupid I am. You know, people that watch TV and go, I could have done that better. I know that everyone that watches my videos is like, I could do that so much better than her. And do you know what? I appreciate that. We're all here to learn. I got it right that time. Did you see me? Now, I've used the wrong garlic bread, but the Tesco I went to didn't have the garlic bread I wanted. So the garlic bread you want to use is like your cheap generic garlic bread. Usually you get it in baguettes, or you can get it in like pre-made slices. The baguette doesn't have enough buttery garlicky goodness in it for me, so I like to get the pre-made slices. They didn't have any, so I used the ciabatta one, and so that my crumb is exceptionally big today, which is not ideal. I'll try and get a picture of what I'm talking about, like somewhere on the screen here, of like garlic bread. So basically, essentially, you just keep doing this. I'm going to put these 3 in the air fryer just now, and so I can show you faster what they look like, and then I'm going to finish doing this. So that's my last big fat boy. He's huge. Right, so I'll touch it with this one. We'll place them in your air fryer so they're all like not touching and whatnot, I don't know. Yeah, right. Then give them a wee drizzle on the oil or a scoosh. Because why not? Put it in your air fryer at 200 degrees for like 10 minutes, and I've already told you what you would do if you don't have an air fryer and you put it in the oven. So I'll see you in like 10 minutes, right? It's a bit too zoomed in, but it'll do. Hello, welcome back. My air fryer is still doing its thing, so I'm still cooking chicken, but the first ones I put in are ready, so I'll show you what they look like. Here are, like, wait now. It's crispy as fuck. Chicken, cooked, super crispy. So that's where we're at. I understand it's not that impressive, it's literally just chicken fingers, right? But they're delicious. I'm going to scran these with some Nando's sauce. Nando's sauce. Well, it's like Nando's mayonnaise or something. What is it? Aye, peri peri mayonnaise. We've got a new bottle of that. You get people that like pick things up with their hands and it's like, no. I'm actually going to use a fork to cut like a bit off because I'm not a fucking heathen. Gives it a wee dook. It's so good. Essentially, it's like a garlic herb chicken Kiev, but without that middle that realistically leaks out anyway, and you never really get that, like cut the Kiev in half and have the sauce drip out. Like that never happens. If that's happened to you, then you're a special person, because no, I've never had a Kiev in my life with a Kiev innards stay in. They always fucking burst out the side. Thanks Buddha, critical tripod. I was burst out the side and fucking pissed their fucking garlic sauce all over my fucking oven. Anyway, so that's what it tastes like. Really good. Also, you're probably thinking, I could just go and buy like herby garlic breaded chicken for like £1 if you like farm foods or racing or something. You absolutely could. But this is an impressive way to be like, look at all the effort I made no effort whatsoever. And your pal will come over and she'll be like, oh look, they look great and they taste amazing, you shouldn't have went to so much effort. And I'll be like, anything for you, good friend, but actually it was 2 seconds. So, that being said, I'm going to go now, eat the rest of this, and I'm not going to like these. I'm going to actually go now film more videos, because I get 1 day a week where Sadie is being looked after by her granny, and I have to film as much as I can in that day. So yeah, if I look like this in the next video, that's why. And if I also look like this in a lot of TikToks, that's also why. Also, I've got merch coming. I also have previous merch if you're interested. If you're not, that's cool. And I use TikTok quite a lot now, which is cringy, but I quite like it. So if you use TikTok, you should add me on there. Anyway, I'll see you later on. Bye!